everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to share with you how I prepare my simple homemade tahina. These are the ingredients that I use. This is my first time to make this kind of paste, and I know there's a lot of video recipe way better than this, but I assure you taste is great and good for the first trial. When you are going to do this, you need to check the sesame seeds should be plain, because some sesame seed I saw are already salted and with butter. Now, over the medium heat in a pan, I added the seeds and roasted till turns in golden brown. I continuously mixing it to keep this from burning. When it's done, I transferred in a bowl to cool it down a bit. Now, it's time for mixing it all. In the grinder, I added 1 cup of roasted sesame seeds. Then, I processed till the seeds turns into a powder. Time to time, I need to check and open it if needed to scrape some things that sticks on the sides. Then, I grinded it again until this is fully turned to a powder. The next procedure is I added 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Then 1/8 teaspoon of salt. After putting all ingredients, I grind it again until all the mixtures blend well together. When all the ingredients are well mixed, this will turn into a kind of paste. And this is look so fine for me, so now I can transfer this to a clean bottled container. This is it, my homemade tahina paste. This time, I will show you how I make my tahina sauce with this paste. The ingredients that I use here are minced garlic, lemon extract, olive oil, water, and tahina paste. Super easy and quick if you already have tahina paste. I just combined all the ingredients into one bowl and mix it evenly. Then, after this, I put again into the mixer and blend it until texture is becoming smoothie. And this is now my homemade tahini sauce. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give me your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to see you again for my next video.